Chat with TOPDON with our ADAS 3-in-1 kit, because sometimes you don't need lane departure warning. This kit is going to include your adaptive cruise control, Doppler simulator, and quarter-millimeter radar. But enough of that, let's open the box. So as you can see, it comes pretty packed in here, and the whole idea behind this 3-in-1 kit is to have one stand for all three of these radar style targets and not have to get your big clunky stand out to be able to do some of these simple processes. Let's get this out of the box. There's your radar plate. So in this case, you're going to have all the accessories that you're going to need. So in here is going to be your mirror, your trihedral is in here as well. We have your Plum Bob, your tape measure, and all of your targets are in this nice little carrying case, easy to get into the shop. Here is our stand for our tire to be able to hook onto your tape measure. Your 5-axis laser is right there. And the stand for all the different targets to hang on to. Oh, don't forget, down here at the bottom, our Doppler simulator. So the key part to the 3-in-1 is going to be the stand. This stand gives us the ability to put all three different targets onto one stand without having to get our big target stand out all the time. So one of the big features on this is going to be our measurements are put right onto the upright, giving us the ability to really dial in that height measurement without having to get the tape measure out, and then we have the ability to lock that in. On that plate, we have a battery pack here that gives us the ability to shine a laser directly out of that plate to the vehicle for our accurate measurements. And also there's magnets built into this as well to lock in those targets when we hang them on there. Also, you'll notice on the base of this frame is the ability to see the three different measurements. Now, each of these targets is going to sit out different from this plate. So this gives us the proper measurement from the front of each of those targets to be able to set it up on the car. And the tool is going to give us all those measurements right on the screen, so there's no other place that we have to go to figure that out. Each one of the targets has its own bubble level on it as well. You'll notice here on the Doppler that you have a bubble level on top, but also on the back you have an indicator for your height. Whenever we mount those to the stand, we'll be able to take that indicator out to give you your height measurement. And now we can go off of that bubble level to adapt and change our stand to make sure that that is perfectly level and at the right height. So each one of these different targets mounts onto here very easily. When we use the trihedral, you'll notice that it goes on there and then it magnetizes on there and it has its bubble levels as well. And when we do the radar plate, we have those pins on the back as well as the bubble levels, and that will click onto that mount. And then you still have your 3 position for your different radars. The TOPDON 3-in-1 target set was designed for body shops in mind, for being able to do your different radar calibrations without having to buy the complete ADAS frame, giving you all the major pieces you need, including the 5-axis laser, your Plum Bob, all the targets, and a standalone stand. So if you're looking to add radar to your offering in your body shop, or if you're just looking to expand your ADAS calibration but don't want to take your frame everywhere, the TOPDON 3-in-1 is a solution for you.